How to set up Amazon household account. Hi everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can set up your Amazon household account. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So basically remember that a household account allows you to share Amazon benefits with another adult, teens and children. And also remember that this is not the same as your personal Amazon account. This is a new account. Once you have it, you're going to be able to share it with two adults, I mean you and another adult, up to 4 teens. The teens are going to be ages between the 30 until the 17 years old, and up to 4 children. So in total, you're going to be able to have like 10 people here in your Amazon household account. So if you want to create or manage your Amazon household, please visit this link. This is an article from Amazon and this is what you're going to get. So I'm going to create my Amazon account. You just have to fill all this data and click on continue. And now here I am into my household account. You also must verify your mobile number if you want to get one. So what you can do is, here you have just 3 buttons if you want to add an adult, a teen or a child. So I'm going to select just an adult. You must select the country or the region. And here you have the option to get their name and their email. So I'm going to type it. I'm just going to be like test with this one. That was my personal account indeed. And you can also share your wallet to verify you live together. So you and test is the name of that person, must agree to share wallets in order to share digital content and select Prime benefits. As a security measure, you will be notified if tests moves your credit or debit card to their wallet. So I must agree and continue with this. And here you had the option to share your the content you wish to share. I mean, if you want them to check what apps or games have you bought, your audiobooks or even ebooks, this is totally, whatever you want. That's what it is. Continue, and also you can send your invite. So they will just have 14 days to accept, and Amazon will notify you once that person joins Amazon household. So I'm going to send the invite, and that's it. That's how you can just to create this. As you can see, I have 2 adults, myself, and that other account, and you can add 4 additional teens and 4 additional children. They're going to have access to Amazon Prime. For instance, if they try to buy something from the store, you must to check and to give them permission in order to obtain their articles. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching.